So, ayan, si Elaine and yung Bobby niya. Then, si Adrian sa gitna. And then, si Kaloy. So, yeah. This is going to be our first ride to Marilake for a quick breakfast. So, ang usapan namin, si Elaine, and then si Adrian sa gitna, and then si Kaloy sa unahan. So, I'll be trailing here, following them. Alright, time check, 5:45. We are now here in San Luis, Antipolo. So, same position, or nagkabalit lang si Adrian tsaka si Elaine. So, si Adrian na itong nasa unahan ko, si Elaine yung nasa sunod. Yung dalawang nakaputing helmet, si Elaine tsaka si Grace, and si Kaloy nasa unahan nila. So, ang sabi ko kay Kaloy, let's do some stopover sa may Shell Buso-Buso. And medyo umaambon. Huwag naman sana lumakas. And hopefully, ngayon lang to. Sana bigyan kami ni Lord ng medyo maganda-gandang panahon. As this was, all of us, first timer ulit makabalik dito. Ako, first time makabalik. Then yung dalawa, first time din. Sana wag lumakas yung ulan. So, yeah, andito na kami sa planta ng RC. Next stop namin is Rachel Buso-Buso para makapag-stretch ng mga hita. So, mamaya ulit. I need to save the battery of my action cam. And although I have a lot of space on my memory, but I'm trying to save the battery as well. And binaba ko sa 2K quality yung image nung video para medyo madami-dami din makuha akong sites mamaya pagdating namin sa taas. So, there we go. So, nag-stop over kami dito sa Shell. Ayan, so pinauna ko si Elaine. Yeah, there you go. So, that's Elaine and Grace. And where's Adrian and Kaloy? There you go. There they go. There. So, tara. Yeah. So, nakapag-stop over na. Here comes the big bikes. Yeah. Yeah. Look at that fog. Look at that fog. Nice. That's one thing I missed here in this place. Marami pa niyan mamaya. There you go. Today. Oh yeah. There you go. Lumayo ka man sa akin. Yeah. Iyong limuti. Sakit ng sa damdamin. Ay naglaho paglisan mo, mahal ko. Pagkat saan ka man naroroon, pinting ng puso ko'y para sa'yo. Pa rin sa'yo, giliw. There you go, boso-boso. Barangay San Jose. Sa'yo'y lagi mong kasama. Sana ay di na natapos pa. Wala nang namang mix bulahan. There you go. Uy, wala akong salita kay Mang Vic. Nalulumbay pagkat wala ka. Ang yakap mo'y aking inaasam. Sana'y maulit pang muli, mahal ko. Pagkat saan ka man naroroon, pintig ng puso ko'y para sa'yo. Ang pag-ibig ko sa'yo'y lagi mong kasama. Elaine, tabi Elaine. Very good. Very good use of brain signal. I like it. Tuluyan mang tayo'y di magkita, umaasa pa rin ako sinta, pagkat mahal kita. Kaya? Asahan mo, ang pag-ibig ko sa'yo'y lagi mong kasama. Yeah. Lion AG. That there's someone new is much too much. Wala mo yung bus! Good job, Elaine. Good job, Elaine. Huwag ka masyadong gumilid. There you go. Good job, Elena. Ba't tayo nagbagal? Ba't tayo nagbagal? Huwag ka masyadong gumilid! Huwag ka masyadong gumilid! Good job, Elaine. Okay, may kalabang ng high beam sa likod. Stay in our ass. To see you go. What more can I say? You're going away this time for real. Now who is to blame? Yee! Oh yeah, I missed this place. There's the Palo Alto. There's the Palo Alto. Walang HPG. Alright. There's a truck in front of us. If Kaloy can lead us to overtake those vehicles in front, but for our safety, oh, Paris Banking is still alive here. Si Paris Banking. Go, 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 move, move. Two different people from such different worlds apart. Let's touch each other's heart like candles in the dark. If it's time for us, we gotta take it, take the chance. Try natin unahan yung truck. Sige, attempt mo, attempt mo. Dami yung truck. Good job, Elaine. I think wala ko sa bulan. Rain or shine? Go! Gagi, walang mamimitik ng umuulan.
Malapit na ba?
Ha? Malayo pa.
Yung na susunod
Dito, ito na yung Big C. Ito na yun. Ito na Devil's Corner? Yung?
Sa may Superman, yung may lapit dito.
Sa Manukan yun, after ng Devil's Corner. Yung Devil's Corner, pre, pag galing tayo dito, pababa yun. Pababa na letter C. Huwag ka naman nang lumakas. Walang cover yung camera ko. Shit. Ito na, ang Devil's Corner. Yun na yun! Yun na yun! Yung Devil's Corner! Yun na yun! Okay pa kayo? Sige, sige. Hinto tayo, pre. Okay, so ito. Dito kami sa Manukan. At we just did some stopover. Hey, pre. We just did some stopover. And we're on our way. Trail continues. Hopefully hindi na lumakas. And nilalamig ako. Ang lamig, ang lamig, ang lamig. Yeah, basa na yung pants ko, but I have to secure my bag. Okay, Mahogany Nature Camp tonight. Yep, it's getting colder and colder as we go farther and farther. And yeah, I told myself I missed this, so might as well make it all worth it. Sierra Madre Resort. Cielo Calvo. Cielo is cloud. Elaine. Slow down. Off-road. Ano? Ginusto natin to, di ba? Wala nang paglagay niyong basa sa dami. Kailangan ko magkape. Puta. Recording, pre. Recording. Okay, pauwi na kami. Uwi na. Fucking raining. It's raining so hard. It's raining cats and dogs. For my money. Ikutan natin sila. Lord bless our trip. Thank you so much.
Wala namang ulan.
Go na, Elaine. Jeez, so cold. Damn. Go na, Elaine. Devil's Corner.